This is how I started off. I used the stepping stone and I hot glued it to the burlap and the wreath. And this is how it looks. These are the flowers on top, and I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. You could probably see it better when I hold it up against the light, but this is meant to hang or just as a decoration. And here it is. I just put it up against my closet. It's hanging from there. You can't really see because I'm like 4 foot 11 and a half, but it's pretty. This is what I made. This is the first one I showed in the beginning of the video. Here is how the wreath turned out, and you can hang it how this looks. And this is the one I did with that, I don't know if you could still see it, but it had like that octagon or actually a hexagon, pentagon, I don't even know. I know the shapes, but I don't know which shape it was because it's all, you know, behind flowers and ribbon. And I put some red and white marbles with some roses. I turned this tea light warmer upside down and I put some moss and I put the little red cardinal in here like it's nesting. And to me, cardinals always symbolize my dad coming to reach out. Oh, by the way, this is that's my dad. And I love this. I think I might keep this up all the time, not just for Valentine's Day. It's a nice Valentine's Day sentiment. Over here, I have my wreath that I used with the stepping stone, and it says, "Look for angels in your life. They are everywhere." And when this is hanging, it looks a lot better. And then there's this. Now let me shut my light so you can see how pretty that looks. And I am going to house this in my bathroom. Probably should have used white flowers, but I could change that out. Not a problem. Anyhow, so this is what I've been working on, and more crafting to come. I also wanted to show you guys I made homemade chicken soup on this snowy day, and my son is sick. All right, that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed and peaceful and restful Sunday. Bye.